Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. I was just watching a Mixed Media Girl colander pour compilation video, which is fantastic. She just posted it. I will link it below because if you have any interest in fluid art whatsoever, she is definitely someone to check out. And her compilation video reminded me that there is a colander pour I haven't actually tried yet, believe it or not. So I'm going to do it here. This is a dollar store Betty Crocker trademarked colander. Instead of doing it like this, which I have done, I'm going to do it like this. And instead of layering a cup, we're just going to do a clean pour, which means no cup, no dirty pour. So today we are using Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints. I am going with the red family. We have deep yellow. Whoops. We have crimson. We have old gold. Oh, for heaven's sake. I tell you, I thought this table would be big enough for me and my projects, and I was wrong because I am such a klutz. Okay, old gold. We have orange, bright red, two different whites because this one, the metallic white's going to run out, so I also have titanium white to back it up. Black and bright yellow. Again, I am just going to pour. I am not going to layer. So here we go. And I do not like this family of colors much at all. So I'm hoping to be pleasantly surprised, but we will see because I really don't know what I'm going to get. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. So I believe that means we need about 9 ounces, but since we're not layering a cup, I'm just gonna pour. See what happens. We'll run out of a few things. That's okay. This is for people who really like to make a mess. Really like to make a mess. Up with some white. That should be plenty. We're just going to let it sit for a minute. I want everything to drip either down or through the holes as much as possible. I will put my paints away and then we'll see what we ended up with. Now, the one she had, the only difference is it had a handle for easy pickup. This I will have to stick my fingers in here somewhere and pick it up. There we go. Ooh, look at that mess. All right, and now we tilt. Well, I will say, absolutely true, right off the bat, it is very, very vibrant. I can't say I dislike it. Not sure it's worthy of an ooh, or even an ah. But it's pretty cool. Actually, it's pretty warm. It's very hot. It is hot. What do you think? All right, Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints usually do not produce any cells unless you mix silicone in with them, and I did not do that. So let me clean up and we will go in for our close-up. Alrighty, time for our close-up. Here is the lower right corner. Across the bottom. Lower left corner. Up the side, left side. I have to say, there are some very, very, very cool patterns in here. And the yellow and the black produce sort of a green, so that's an interesting color to have in this. Upper left corner, which is kind of red, but still I love the lines and the depth. Across the top. And of course, because of the gold, there is a little sheen, although I'm not sure it's evident to you guys on the phone. But it's there. Upper right corner. Down the right side. Back down to the lower right. And then, well, here's the middle. The middle is super cool. Super hot. I do like that. I just love the drip designs. And here's the entire thing. What do you think, folks? Do you like doing colander pours? Give me some color combination ideas if you want. I'm open to ideas and suggestions. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.